Hi everyone, SK here. Today I want to share with you 3 tips about photo editing. Number 1, how to insert text behind an object. Number 2, how to remove object from photo. Number 3, how to create 3D effect. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload new contents like this. So let's start now. First of all, go to canva.com and click custom size. Type in the size of your photo and create new design. Or if you're doing for social media like Instagram or Facebook, then you can just select accordingly. So once you click create new design, it will come here. You can click uploads and upload your photo here. But today I will use Canva's photo. So go to elements and search for grease. Select this one. So insert the photo. Then go to share. Click download. So if you are Canva Pro accounts, you can tick transparent background and download transparent background image. If not, you just click download. Then go to this website remove.pg, upload the photo, remove the background and download the photo. You can get this link from the description down below this video. Then back to this page, upload this photo here. Then for this page, you may want to lock it so that you will not accidentally move it. Then put in this photo. Then insert text. Choose the font. I will go for this Anton. Select the font which is tall and strong. Change the color. You can adjust the letter spacing here. Okay, so now adjust this photo. Put it back here. And go to position and click forward. That's all. If you are designing this for video or presentation, you can also add animation. Press the Control button at your keyboard and double click and go to animate and choose the animation. I will go for spread. Now let's go for the second image. Click photos and search for jumping and you'll be able to get this photo. Before that, go to elements. Search for grease. Back to photo and select this photo. For the second image, The first step is same as the first image. You need to go to this website to remove the background. And you need one extra step. Go to this website, cleanup.pictures. You can get this link from the description. Upload this photo here and remove the object. So you can slowly remove the object and just click download to download the background of this picture. Then back to Canva, upload the background here and also the object. Now we want to create this letter, HERO. So we are going to use PowerPoint. So go to PowerPoint, click Insert and insert a text box. Type the letter. Make it to 500. Change the color and change the font. Change to this font. Now press Ctrl key and C from your keyboard. And back to Canva, press Ctrl key plus Ctrl V to paste it. Once you paste it here, you can see it here, it will appear here. Now we can bring in this object. You can crop it. And enlarge it. Now you can copy the letter O, Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. Go to position and click forward. Now we want to move this image O and put it on top of this O. Go to transparency, make it a bit blur so that it's easy for you to see, and make sure the position is is forward. Okay, now make it back to normal. So we can crop this O. Now you can insert this image. Go to new page. insert this grease and just drag. You can highlight this one and go to group and click group. Just press Ctrl key on the keyboard, Ctrl key plus the C and Ctrl key and plus V. Remember to click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. See you soon.